Hey guys, what's happening? Jamie here from Unbox. OPPO is starting the year off strong by introducing its newest member of their full-screen family, the OPPO A83. The budget-friendly offering has a lot going for it, and with the review already squared away, we thought we'd share our thoughts on its top 5 features that may make you want to consider this first offering from the Chinese brand in 2018. The OPPO A83 has a 5.7-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display, which makes it the most affordable device from an international brand with a display sporting the 18:9 aspect ratio. Yes, you're only getting a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels, and many may crave a bit more sharpness that comes with a device with a higher resolution. But really, it isn't that bad, and pushing the display to full HD Plus would have affected the price and battery life of the phone. We just released an article about keeping your device secure, and while the team does prefer a fingerprint scanner over facial recognition, this feature on the OPPO A83 is actually one of the better ones we've encountered thus far. We've tried it in various lighting conditions, and barring using it in complete darkness with only the screen to light your face, it's actually quite accurate and unlocks the device in less than a second. OPPO has rightly cemented their claim on being the selfie expert with their F series of smartphones. But this new A series device is no slouch either. You have an 8-megapixel camera at an f-stop of 2.2 that has been equipped with OPPO's AI selfie features that automatically adjust the level of beautification just enough so that you don't look like a porcelain doll or a mannequin. The bokeh effect using the front camera also does a good job and doesn't awkwardly cut you out of the background by feathering out your silhouette nicely. Being OPPO's entry-level devices, the A series has always received a bit of a bump down in terms of its spec sheet. This isn't the case with the A83. You have a MediaTek Helio P23 processor, a Mali G71 MP2 GPU, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of expandable storage, a combination that's good for use with the usual range of social apps and a bit of gaming as well. If you treat your mobile device like a handheld console, then you'll appreciate the gaming acceleration feature on the OPPO A83. It can automatically manage system resources to make sure that you get the optimal frame rates and restrict the network access of apps running in the background to make sure you won't lag out in a match, which is great if you happen to be playing one of the more popular mobile MOBAs. As a bonus, it's less than 10,000 pesos. While it's not really a feature, one of the best reasons to check out the A83 is its price tag. We were initially concerned that it would be priced too close to the OPPO F5 Youth that just received a price cut. Now that we know that its official price tag has been set to 9,990, it makes OPPO's entry-level device pretty competitive given everything else it has going for it. And that's pretty much it for our top 5 features of the OPPO A83. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell. If you have any questions about this device, hit us up in the comment section down below and we'll try to answer them as soon as we can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and make sure you visit our Facebook page as well. This is Jamie, and I'll see you next time.